I'm going to show you how to make a fresh lime and zesty orange flavored classic, the Margarita cocktail. Starting with 45 ml MONIN Mixeur Margarita mix. I'm also adding equal amounts of Blanco Tequila to my Uber Bartels cocktail shaker. Let those ingredients hang out for a while. For the best salt rim, forget lime and press your glass into a fresh orange. Coat the rim of the glass in good quality salt. Back to your shaker. Add ice and shake nice and hard. Strain with an Uber Hawthorne strainer and pour into your glass. Cut down on produce, cost and time with MONIN Mixeur cocktail mixers. Home entertaining has never been this easy. Margarita by MONIN Mixeur, your bartender in a bottle. When safe at home, always drink responsibly.